The booking request workflow has been enriched and works in a similar fashion to standard request workflows. Here at Alma University, let's look for a physical item that we can lend and make a booking request for it. The first thing I'm going to do is in the persistent menu, do a search for an item. And now I'm going to request this item. Make sure to choose Booking Request. And now let's fill out all the mandatory information such as requester. And we'll choose a start time, an end time, and we'll choose a pickup location. We'll choose the end time to be several days from today. And bear in mind that this end time will also be the due date for the book's request. We'll choose to pick this book up at the science library. And now let's submit this request. We can see the request was successfully submitted, and here we have the request ID. Let's copy that. We'll go to the persistent menu bar, and we'll search for this request. Now notice that no library is currently managing the request because we set the request to begin a few minutes from now. Additionally, it won't show up in the Pick from Shelf list, and if we click on the tasks here, we won't see it. And now we wait. So we just waited a few minutes here at Alma University. Preview times can be configured in the terms of use. So a few minutes have passed, and now you can see the workflow step. There are two new fields here. Managed by, which would be the main library, and Pick from Shelf. And the pickup location will be in the science library. And now if we go to the task list, we see requests. All pickup from shelf has gone from 1 to 2. If we click here, we'll now see the book that we requested, which was Introduction to Cold Regions Engineering. And it's up here. We can also limit this list by facets by clicking here on booking requests. So if there were many different items here, we could pare this list down just to the booking requests that we want to see. And if there were multiple requests here, they would be sorted by time requested. And now we can continue with this request in the usual pick from shelf way. Let's type in the barcode, which I already know is RS2, an easy one. And here's our title. And at the same time, the patron receives an email notice, which you can see here. We'll go to Manage Patron Services. We'll type in the name of the requester and click Go. Clicking on Requests, we can now see our request here. The item is in transit, and we can see here that the end time is the same time that we put in for the end of the request. We hope you enjoy using this feature and like to wish you a great month.